In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the license plate light bulbs on your 2012 to 2017 Hyundai Accent hatchback. It's a very easy process. The only tool we need is a flathead screwdriver, and it only takes about 2 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, I'm going to show you this process on just the left side light, but it's the exact same process on the right side one. So grab the flathead screwdriver. If you can get a smaller one, that's fine. If not, you can get a bigger one like the one I just showed. So get the small flathead screwdriver, and now we're going to try and shove that screwdriver in at an angle. What we're trying to do is we're going to try and pry that clip, like we're going to try and bend it, and then the entire light comes out. So get that screwdriver in there like that, press down on the clip, it's pressed, and the whole light is now pried out of the bumper, just like that. Once the light is out, it's easy from here on out. All you have to do is just twist the bulb holder left like 1/8 of a turn, and the bulb holder is out. Now to grab the bulb, just grab it and pull it out. The bulb replacement size number is 194, 168 or T10. Again, 194 or 168 or T10. Either one of them works. I suggest you get a replacement LED bulb so that way you don't have to worry about doing this again for a long time. Check the link in the description for the replacement bulbs. Get the new bulb, align it over there with the pins, push it in there, and now we'll put the bulb holder back in the light. Just like that. Make sure it's sitting flush in there. Right, take a few seconds. Right, now it's looking good. Now we can twist it right and lock it in place. Now we can put the entire light back in the bumper. So that clip that we pried on with the screwdriver, that goes in first. And then the second clip, we'll just press it on. Right, so the clip that we pried on with the screwdriver, get that in there in the bumper first, and then simply push on the other side, and then the entire light is locked in the bumper. Now you can repeat the process, and that's pretty much